In today's video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log in to your credit card account of Capital One. If you have a credit card that is issued by Capital One Bank, and if you're trying to manage your funds or your card, in this video, let me show you the quick process. Search for Capital One credit card login or Capital One credit card login, and you can see the first search result, which is from Capital One. If you click on this link, it's going to take you to the login section. Now, this is not the separate section of the credit card login only. You can also log into your online account by typing in your credentials. So type in the username in the first box and type in the password in the second. If you have forgotten your username or your password, click on the forgot username or the password link, and from there you can follow a couple of steps to recover those information. And lastly, you can check this box which says remember me for this device to remember your details. You need to avoid this step if you're not using your personal device. Once you typed in both of your credentials, you can now click on sign in and you'll be immediately logged in to your credit card account of Capital One. If this video was helpful to you, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Until then, keep watching.